In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Outlook account without phone number. If you are locked out of your Outlook account and don't have access to a phone, don't worry, there are two reliable paths to get back in. I'll walk you through both clearly so you can choose the one that fits your situation. First, use an alternate recovery email if you set one up in the past. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Account Recovery page. Type in the Outlook email address you are trying to access. Then select Next. When you are given recovery options, choose to send the security code to your alternate email address. Keep that page open, then switch over to your alternate inbox and look for the message from Microsoft. If you don't see it, check your junk or spam folder. Copy the code exactly as shown, return to the recovery page, and enter it. From there, follow the prompts to reset your password and unlock your account. Take your time with each step and make sure you are on Microsoft's official website before entering any information. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and refresh your inbox, as these messages can take a minute to come through. If you don't have access to any recovery phone or email, your next option is to submit the Microsoft Account Recovery Form, also known as ACSR. You'll need a contact email you can currently access, so Microsoft can reach you with updates. Go to the Help with the Microsoft Account Recovery Form page, then look for the section that says Fill out the Microsoft Account Recovery Form and click the Account Recovery Form link. Before you begin, gather useful details. These can include subject lines of emails you've sent or received recently, the names of contacts you've messaged, and any previous passwords you can remember. The goal is to prove you are the rightful owner by providing accurate, familiar information. For the best chance of success, complete the form from a device and location where you've signed in to this account previously, such as your usual computer and home network. After submitting, give it time. Microsoft typically reviews these requests and responds within about 24 hours. Keep an eye on the contact email you provided, so you don't miss their reply. That's it. Thanks for watching.